In pipe processing, automated and high-precision pipe cutters are a market must. Infrastructure, auto parts, and new energy industries demand higher precision, efficiency, and adaptability, while traditional equipment is too low precision and slow to meet needs. As MDs prioritize cost-effectiveness, easy operation, and small footprint for procurement, and requires stable operation with universal factory power supply. This Model B pipe cutter fits perfectly, adapting to E1D 45mm pipes with high precision and efficiency. It has a 7-inch touch screen, compact size, and 220 volts. 110 volts can be optional universal power supply, an ideal cost-effective choice for pipe processing.
Welcome, global business partners, to Smart Solutions for Wireless. We wish you good health and overflowing prosperity.